Hey YouTube, it's Apple Phenom on my first recording on the Samsung SC MX10. So we're going to do the install of the Mac OS X Snow Leopard. So we're going to take out the CD from the box. So let's just slide this in here. My noisy combo drive. So this should load up in a second. So I'm gonna go in here. I'm gonna double click on install Mac OS X. So now there's the prompt screen. It says, to set up the installation of Mac OS X Snow Leopard, click continue. So I'm going to click continue. And agree to that. I'm going to use my Macintosh HD to install this on. So now I'm going to go down here to customize, and I think I'm going to install Rosetta. Translates PowerPC based applications to work with your Intel based Mac. Click that, click OK, and install. And then it's asking me, are you sure you want to install? And I'm going to press install. Gotta enter my password, and then I'll press enter. Just for information on this, you have to have at least 1 GB of RAM. You have to have an Intel based Mac. This does not work on PowerPCs, and you have to have Leopard installed already. So this is going to take about 45 minutes, so I'm going to stop recording about when it's halfway done, and I'll tell you about my experiences while it's working. Oh, now jump to an hour and 2 minutes, so it's kind of bad at timing, so I'm going to stop recording now. Okay, so it seems like my Mac is restarting a couple of times. And this is the first restart. My combo drive is going crazy. It's really spinning pretty fast. Alright, we have a completely dark screen. It restarted again, and now it's coming to a blue screen. Still says it's installing, which is a good thing. Alright, and it says we have another 41 minutes. Pretty big install. Snow Leopard, and we'll get back again once we get. Oh, now it says 33 minutes, and see this bar right about here. We're going to start up again for the recording. So see you in a couple of seconds, maybe not even a second. Okay, we're back, and it's got 17 minutes left on it. And just gonna have to see what happens. 16 minutes, and I will be back in 14 minutes. 7 minutes. 4 minutes. Yeah, almost done. Hopefully, we won't encounter any problems. Look at how close we are. It's so close. So close. Just finish up already. 3. Look at all those new features. Lots and lots. So many that my camera out-focused. Woo! Supported Microsoft Exchange, new core technologies, and refined from installation to shutdown. 2 minutes. About a minute left. It's the final countdown. We're gonna do filming to the end. It's like that about a minute, like annoying thing that OS X always does to everybody who's installing their operating system. It's so annoying, even to the hackers. Probably gonna be like shutting down and turning on, shutting down, turning on for the last like next million hours. So it's gonna go crazy. It's gonna be like New Year's Eve 2010 in Times Square. It's gonna be crazy. Freezing outside. I don't think it's gonna be freezing outside with my Mac finishes installing OS X Snow Leopard, but we're almost done. It's the final countdown. Look at how close that's as far as about a minute. I'd say that's a full progress bar to me. I'd have to say that it's been way more than less than a minute. Way more than less than a minute. Thought we had some stoppage of spinning. Oh my god, it's a clear progress bar. Installation is complete. Alright, oh my god, it's going crazy. I love that check mark, it's awesome. And I'm going to have to say, I'm going to press restart because I don't like it when I have to wait for it. So, I'm going to press restart. Like 1, 2, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi, 11 Mississippi, 12 Mississippi, 13 Mississippi, 14 Mississippi, 15 Mississippi, 16 Mississippi, 17 Mississippi, 18 Mississippi, 19 Mississippi. I lost count. It's been 25 seconds. 30 seconds. 35 seconds. 40 seconds. 45 seconds. 50 seconds. Apple went away. Blue screen. About a minute to boot up with a CD on and a hard drive plugged in. Alright, we got a blue cursor. First boot up of 10.6.0. I'm gonna log in. Alright. That's sweet. Pretty slow. Screen of black. Reposition the screen. Come on. Reposition the screen. We have a spinning pinwheel of death. Up in the right hand corner, left hand corner. I cannot tell my right from left, because I am stupid as shit. It's not loading. I guess I'm gonna give it some credit because it's on the first boot up. And there it is. There's the welcome video. Alright. Alright. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe.